Okay, so we got this situation. Find the 6-digit palindrome. Okay, now try to understand what does this palindrome means. Palindrome means if you will read a word from this side, okay, this to this side, and if you'll read a word from this to this side, you will have same. Okay, like look at this. Suppose that you are using this word. Okay, so if you'll read it from here, you will have PAAP, and if you'll read it from this side, you will have PAAP. Okay, even you can read this word OYO, OYO, and from that side also if you'll read, you will have the same thing. Okay, so these words we call it as palindrome. Okay, now try to understand, like you want 6-digit palindrome, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so the idea is number should be divisible by 55. So you know that if it is divisible by 55 means number should be divisible by 5 and 11, correct? So you know that, look at this, you know that at if it is 5, it is divisible by 5, we should keep here 0 or 5, correct now? But look at this, if you will keep 0 over here, you have to keep 0 over here, and you will end up losing the number of digits. The number of digit would become 5, so you have no choice to keep 0 over there, so but you have to put 5. As it is palindrome, you have to keep 5 here also. So at this place you have one choice, at this place you have one choice. Your task is not completed, so you have to multiply. Now, as it is a palindrome, so it is understood that the digits will be repeated. Okay, so for this place we have how many choices? We have 10 choices. You can use any number. So if it is 10 for this place, you would have how many choices? Only one. You have to keep the number that you have substituted over here. Okay, now look at this place. For this place you have how many choices? You have 10 choices. For this place you have only one choices. Okay, now so the number being is 100, which are divisible by 5. Now try to understand whether these numbers are divisible by 11 or not. So look at these numbers. You know that the test of divisibility is, if it is A, like palindrome, look at this. Here also you have to put A. Suppose it is B, you have to put B. Here it is C, here you have to put C. So this, 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 this. Now look at this. So you know that sum of elements at odd place and like difference of the sum of elements of at odd place and even place should be divisible by 11. So look at this x places. So A, B, C minus A, B, C. Look at this, you got 0 and 0 is divisible by 11. So the number of 6-digit palindromes which are divisible by 55 is 100. I hope the idea is clear.